So this is the smart way to remove a box out when obviously you got your wood all screwed together, boxed in by concrete. Just go ahead and cut a section out of each side, and then you can knock it out.
I think it looks pretty good.
It does look good. We want to make sure we continue to do a good job, clean up nice, and make it look right.
Should only do one side out.
Huh?
If you get one side, it'll be less space and it should come up.
What, just cut one side instead of cutting both?
I'm saying if you pound one side over,
Oh,
leave one side back.
I don't want to break anything.
Yeah, or just do that. Why don't you just do that, Nick?
I know.
Yeah, see why I cut them joints here? That piece is good.